Becoming a national federal contractor. Case study. In 2019, Ryan and Maria Hobbs of Leander, Texas, attended the Mastering Federal Contracting workshop. They formed Rymarh Corporation, started bidding on government contracts, and assisting other workshop graduates in completing federal projects in Texas, Oklahoma, and Alabama. Just before winter hit, the Air National Guard on Long Island, New York, had both of their boilers go out in Building 250. With over 100 military personnel running national security operations, it was imperative to have new boilers up and running before the temperature dropped below freezing. Using the GC Experts Bid Tracker report, Ryan Hobbs discovered their need and turned in a proposal to replace the boilers. Within 2 days, the Air Force awarded the $240,000 Best Value contract to Rymarh. Teaming up with New York General and Master Plumbing Contractor Efren Jimenez and bringing in Doug Reichmeyer as the project manager, the team hit the job site on Sunday morning, November 10, 2019. By the end of the day, both of the inoperable boilers had been removed from the room. Due to a snowstorm that blanketed the trucking route, the boilers arrived 9 hours later than scheduled. The team had to work late into the night and step up the pace to ensure that the new boilers were installed and operational by Friday afternoon, as promised to the Air Force. See exactly how they did it in this impressive documentary of their 40-plus hours of work, all compressed into the next 10 minutes.
Our job is to make everything in this room related to the boilers work. So we got a water softener back over there, we got to make sure it's working right. We got the aerator, which we want to heat the water up to 212. We got to figure out the control panels and all the other electrical stuff here, figure out what's going to go to the new boiler. The only way they would sell the boilers to us is if we bought them complete. So we're going to leave a lot of it here, and then when we get the new boilers, we'll figure out what gets taken off and what gets replaced, right?
Okay. Right, so we got 85 clearance to the top of this machine. We're about 5 inches over from our doorway. Texas style. This is my buddy, man. He brought the boilers.
Rick from Toronto, Canada. Cross-border expedite. Winter storm through Toronto and Buffalo. Normally would have taken me 9 hours to get here directly, and it took me now probably 18 hours in total.
It was like 6 inches of snow in Buffalo. You had to go through Buffalo?
Yep, and it was the whole day snowing nonstop.
The whole siphon system wasn't piped right. So the water softener was never softening any water. Took this all apart, hooked it up correctly. It's just the tubes were never set up inside here.
My name is Dave Schofield. I'm a unit manager with Chardon Laboratories. We set up the chemical feed tanks and we verify that they do operate. So that's all set up and ready to go. We left the supply of chemical along with what we batched today. So we're set up to go and get these new boilers and keep them new.
Done.
Yes, sir.
If your federal agency needs emergency repairs on plumbing, electrical, mechanical, controls, or construction of any type, call the real pros at Rymarh Corp, Efron Ibanez, or Doug Reitmeyer at Government Construction Experts.
With a team like this, that's what gets this job done.
Yeah,
So
they picked the right contractor.